So I just wanted to take a second to show you the difference between the Google Sites to make it hopefully a little easier. So this is where I originally went to, Google Sites, and this is what I came up with, the IdeaFolio. This is my original one that I really had a lot of trouble with. I'm trying to embed things, trying to copy and paste. This is kind of as basic as it can be. Really had a lot of trouble, like I said, embedding and copying stuff in here. So I decided to research, and I found a different Google Sites. So I went into my Drive folder, and you want to go down to More and go into this Google Sites. It's a little harder to find, but it has the updated version. You want to make sure that all of this is over here instead of on top like the old one. This is so much easier to use, embedding things, text box, much easier to use. And this really, finding this has really saved me a lot of headache. So that is the newer Google Sites version that you want to use instead of the old one.